to talk about an absolutely warm day. We're wrapping it up right now. Here we are, the day after Christmas. It's 10 o'clock, and it's raining. You've got thunderstorms, and temperatures are into the 60s still. At 10 o'clock on December 26th. Don't see that too often. As a matter of fact, something happened today that has never happened on this date. We hit 74 degrees. Not only is that the record high for the date in Lexington, that is the warmest temperature on record for this late in the year. You got to go back to 1982 and December 4th, about 3 weeks earlier than this, to find a 74 this late in a year.
2016 year.
Long little stretch, my friends. And here we are, never been this warm this late in the year as what we are today. It's pretty incredible. And here's that bubble of warmth going all, look at Pittsburgh. It's 65 degrees in Pittsburgh. Yet the colder air is slowly bleeding its way on in from northwest to southeast. The really cold stuff is never truly going to get in here this go around. You've got a cold front right on top of the Ohio River. Air behind that is chilly, and that's what comes into play over the next couple of days. Before that front actually makes it through here, you've got a rainy night ahead of you. So if you like rain on the rooftop, you're going to sleep like a baby over the next several hours. That's barring the thunder and lightning doesn't keep you awake. You get the drift. And to Danville, Stanford, Lincoln County. To the northeast, across Richmond, Berea. Hello, Estill County. Look at the Mountain Parkway from Stanton and Clay City through good old Powell County, right on through the Natural Bridge area and into Campton. We're talking about very heavy rains. Watch for ponding of water there. Good folks here in Menifee and Morgan counties getting in on some heavier downpours as well. Flemingsburg, Owingsville, some lighter rains. A little heavier bursts here into Nicholas County and just to the east of Paris into Bourbon County. Lexington, yep, we've got rain. A little heavier on the east side than the west side. But hey, look what's coming out of Shelby County. Down into Nelson County. That's another round of thunder and lightning taking aim at Frankfort, Lawrenceburg, and Versailles. And that extends farther to the southwest, where we've picked up almost 2 inches of rain so far on the day into parts of western Kentucky. That's pretty incredible. So rains will end tomorrow morning. Temperatures into the afternoon will actually be in the 40s, not the 60s. That just didn't want to update. It doesn't want to let go of the 60s. Let's show you what it really looks like on an hour-by-hour forecast. Through tonight and tomorrow morning, heck of a temperature gradient setting up. Can you find the front? 32 Covington, 50 into Harlan and Pikeville. Let's go through the rest of the day. Some sunshine returns. Temperatures, though, into the low and mid-40s. We still can hit 50 across southern Kentucky. So it's a lot colder than today, but it's nowhere near cold for the end of December. Tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Hey, we're going to drop below freezing again with some upper 20s that'll show up. Upper 40s, clouds will quickly increase as we go into the afternoon on Wednesday. Ahead of a system that into Wednesday night and Thursday morning will dump some rain into here. And you know what that'll do? That'll introduce a little colder pattern that can, at some point Thursday afternoon into early Friday, throw a couple of snowflakes our way. Nothing to get excited about except the fact that it was 74 degrees today. And we'll be into the low 30s on Friday. We're going to bring in a brand new year, Erica, with a likely wet weather maker. A couple of
2016
them. One
year.
on New Year's Eve into early New Year's Day, then another as we go into the first Monday of the new year at 50. Beyond that, though, I'm telling you, this pattern's locked and loaded with some Arctic air that's going to engulf much of the country. I think the worst of winter by far is ahead of us.
Wow, wow, that warm weather shocking today, though.
74 degrees. It's never been this warm in Kentucky this late in the year on record compared to what it was today. And the records in Lexington go back to the 1870s.
I'm kind of worried for what's ahead. It's like it's twisting and turning on your forecast over there.
Right? Makes you wonder what the other shoe will.
What a little drop. Okay, you say it. You're less squeaky than me. Thank you, Chris.
You got it.